Hello and welcome to KSG Bulletin. Here are the important news update. BrahMos successfully test fired. India on 30th September 2020 successfully test fired BrahMos supersonic cruise missile with a strike range of more than 400 kilometers from a base in Odisha. The launch of the state-of-the-art missile from the Integrated Test Range ITR at Chandipur was successful, Defense Research and Development sources said. Moving on to the next, UNSC urges to halt Nagorno-Karabakh fighting. UN Security Council called on Armenia and Azerbaijan on September 29, 2020 to immediately halt fighting over the separatists' territory of Nagorno-Karabakh and urgently resume talks without preconditions. The UN's most powerful body strongly condemned the use of force and backed Secretary General Antonio Guterres' earlier call to immediately stop fighting, de-escalate tensions, and return to meaningful negotiations without delay. NSO Time Use Survey. As much as 38.2% of the persons who were of the age of 6 years or above were engaged in employment and related activities in the country in 2019, according to the Time Use Survey report of National Statistical Office. The NSO, which is a wing of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, has conducted the first time use survey TUS in India during January to December 2019. The survey measures the participation rate and the time spent on paid activities, care activities, unpaid activities, etc. Second alignment plane in the solar system. Study of comet motions indicates that the solar system has a second alignment plane. Analytical investigation of the orbits of long period comets shows that the aphelion of the comets, the point where they are farthest from the sun, tend to fall close to either the well-known ecliptic plane where the planets reside or a newly discovered empty ecliptic. This has important implications for models of how comets originally formed in the solar system. Next is France to take part in the Venus mission. ISRO is scheduled to launch its Venus mission in 2025 and France will participate in it. French space agency CNES said on September 30, 2020, the viral instrument developed with the Russian Federal Space Agency Roscosmos and the Latmos Atmospheres, Environments and Space Observations Laboratory attached to the French National Scientific Research Center CNRS has been selected by the ISRO after a request for proposals. For more details and information, please visit ksgindia.com. On our website, you'll get organized daily updates in concise and exam-oriented way, informative editorial of the day focusing on current issues, fortnightly gist of the important news. Thank you so very much. Stay tuned.